Hey y'all, I'm making a little, you can't see because of the angle, but I'm making a little broccoli and cheddar cheese frittata. WW recipe. We're gonna have it up on our Insta stories. I'm adding some salt, oh mercy, and pepper. It's like 2 points for a piece, so I'm like getting kind of hungry. There's just sliced onions. Let me show you. Sliced onions, steamed broccoli, salt, pepper, eggs, and then I'm gonna put some cheese over top and we're gonna put it in the oven, and that's a frittata. Love that cheese in the house. I'm gonna sprinkle it on top. Yada, 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 yada. Looks like someone's coming to my door. Okay. Cheese on top. Come in. Okay. There we go. Now I'm just gonna peel back the sides so it doesn't stick. Okay, so I put my frittata right in the oven. And I guess now I'm gonna clean up. It is like 41 degrees today. Sorry, feels like 41. That's Celsius, but it's really hot. So the kids keep going outside, but we made like a hose sprinkler on them while they play basketball. But they only go up for a bit and then they come back in because it's so hot. Say hi to YouTube friends.
Hey, what's up?
Okay, good, okay. Let's go see what everyone else is doing, huh? Around the house. Oh, looks like nobody cleaned up the lunch.
Dad.
Okay, what's going on over here with the little boys?
We're watching a movie.
Is it appropriate?
Oh, what's up, YouTube fans? What's up?
What's up, YouTube fans?
Make sure to
All right.
share, and comment.
I guess I'll clean up my kitchen, but I'm not cleaning up that lunch.
Hey, you are.
Oh no.
Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications.